Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another YouTube studio tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can hold comments on your videos and then review them and then approve them before these comments can be public on these videos on your channel. So it's very much simple and easy. In my previous video, I think I showed you guys how to turn off the comment section. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hold it, review it before it becomes public on your channel. So now let's hop on our YouTube studio and do that. So I have it opened here. I have a YouTube studio open here in this my recent video here. So to do this, you don't need to tap on this, just like I said earlier in the other tutorial. You don't need to tap on this. So when you tap on this, you're going to see all public comments on your channel. So all you need to do is let's come back here to our details here, and now let's scroll down to the bottom of this page. Good. So here you can see comments and ratings here. So if you want to hold comments for moderation and then review them before they become public, all you need to do is you just turn on the comment section like that, and then you come here and then you hold all your comments. You get it? So you hold all of them. So anytime there is a comment, you're going to get an alert. You read it and then you approve it. So now let's save it. So to do this, I think I need to log into a different YouTube channel. Like I would open the video and I'll type in like something small there. You're going to see I'm going to get an alert here for me to review and approve it. If I don't approve it, the comment is not going to be public on the video, something like that. So that's it on how you can hold comments on your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's it on how you can hold comments on your YouTube videos you upload on your YouTube channel. You review them first before they become public on your channel or on your video, something like that. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. So that's it for this tutorial. Peace.